I hope this message finds you well. I wanted to provide you with an update on the progress of the task we discussed, which involves obtaining crucial information about Saudi Arabia. I want to assure you that I have been dedicated to this assignment and have taken significant steps to ensure its success. From the outset, I've diligently prepared for this undertaking as per our expectations and guidelines. I have engaged in thorough research, exploring a wide range of resources and references to gather comprehensive and accurate information about Saudi Arabia. This includes studying historical data, analyzing cultural nuances, and examining the socio-political landscape of the country. I would like to express my gratitude for your training and the latitude you have granted me in approaching this assignment. Your guidance and insights have been invaluable, allowing me to navigate the complexities of this task with a greater understanding. I have found your advice to be highly insightful and have incorporated it into my research strategy. Rest assured, I am committed to completing the requested document within the designated time frame.